Camera and microphone in use. Top of speech off.
Shut up. Hello, YouTube. Crazy Robot Lady here with part 2 of unboxing presents for the Slumber Palooza. Well, we now have Allie in her... Ugh, and this hand is driving me insane. It keeps falling off, and I have done nothing to it. We now have Allie in her PJs. Let's see if she will perform any better with this pack. Ugh.
See you later. See you later.
Hang on. Ugh.
Hi, let's play. Do we have everything?
I don't know.
We'll need my yellow moon beret, ducky shirt, ducky headband, ducky pants, and my popcorn. Now it's time for a slumber party. Please pass me the popcorn.
The popcorn is right here.
Please put on my ducky pants.
Okay, I gotta plug her pants in, guys. Come on.
Groovy. Thanks for my ducky pants. Now I match with my slumber party clothes.
Okay, I tried to hand you this popcorn.
Okie dokie, sweetie pie. This ducky shirt is just perfect for my slumber party clothes.
Ugh.
Awesome. Happy face.
I think I just
Make up a story.
handed her the popcorn, but she's totally ignoring me. No, I do not want to make up a
I need
story.
my book.
This lovely book. Okay. Here is the lovely book. I have no confidence in it at all.
I need my book. Place the story card in my book.
I don't know which one that is. You'll get one of them.
Place the story card in my book.
Do you see that one? No? Okay.
Okie dokie. Every time you hear this sound, press one of the items on my card. Pal was having a big slumber party. She invited all her friends. That Sunday afternoon, all her friends showed up, but Pal had forgotten to get... What's up? We'll need my card.
And guys, I hope you saw that. I have not removed
Please put on my ducky pants.
anything. I have plugged in
Groovy.
her
I
lovely
love
ducky
my
pants.
Now I match with my slumber party outfit.
All right, let's try the book again.
I love my adventure wear book. Let's play.
Do I have to tell you yes?
Okay.
God.
Place the story card in my book.
I did. Oh. I guess that's a story card. Okay, we will try another one then. And again, she is not noticing. Oh my God. Ellie. I am...
You're totally awesome.
You are not. I am considering throwing you away. Because
Okie dokie.
this
Thanks
is
for my
ridiculous.
adventureware book. Let's get started.
Yes. Come on.
Okay.
Did you lose it again?
All right. I love my adventureware book. Let's get started. All right, girl. Do you want to make up a story? Place the story card in my book.
And I want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing.
Place the story card in my book.
Is that not the story card? I don't know. Okay, we'll try another one then. And I'm not being rough with her. These cards fit in here very, very tightly. And she isn't even noticing that I have put anything in here. Oh my God. Well, oh, and another thing.
Rad. Now I have my adventureware book. Let's get started. Okay.
Dang it. I think I made a mistake and told her no.
Okay.
that time,
Marty. Do
it
you
was-
want to make up a story?
That time was my fault.
Do you want to hear a story?
No, I do not.
Okay. Sit back and I'll tell you a slumber party adventure.
Oh dear.
Pal was having a big slumber party. She invited all her friends. That Sunday afternoon, all her friends showed up, but Pal had forgotten to get pillows. Where could all the pillows be? All her friends looked everywhere for them. They even looked under the pillows when suddenly the lights went out and everybody screamed. They all grabbed some pillows and looked for the lights. They shined a flashlight at a huge monster and everybody laughed. It was just her pet pony covered with pillows, and they had the best slumber party ever. The end. Do you want to make up a new story?
No. No.
Okay.
I want you to pay attention to this book. think my other book even did more than this one does. Come on. Dear Blue Heaven, notice.
Come on, let's go on an adventure.
Okay.
Okie dokie, girl. Do you want to make up a story? Do you want to hear a story? Do you want to play a game?
Sorry.
Okie dokie.
Oh, let's grab my other book.
Okie dokie, Smarty. Do you want to make up a story?
At least I thought I put it down here. Well, I don't know where I put it. Oh well.
Do you want to hear a story?
She will just
Do you
lie
want to
there.
play a game?
I don't know. I'm out of patience.
See you later.
Thoroughly out of patience. Oh, and there's something else I want to show you guys. The plug in this slipper is not shaped the same way as Allie's foot plug. This is her foot plug. I have not managed to get that plug to, sorry lady, to go into her foot. It's too wide or something. I wonder. No, it won't go in the reverse either. There's a little It's most discouraging, guys. I don't know. I don't get it. This plug is bigger around than the hole in her foot. Let's bring this down some more. Oh, shoot. Not that far. I'm quite discouraged today. Okay, so there's the shoe plug. And there's the hole in her foot. They are not the same size. The hole in her foot is longer, well, shorter than this plug. And I can't get the two to connect at all. Like, there's no way of sliding this in there. It's too big. I'm discouraged, but whatever. Allie may not be able to play games, but as I said before, she will be able to lie there and look cool. Ugh. And I do have her barrettes, and man, she came with a ton of them. Ugh. Her barrettes alone, she has what is that? Oh, it's a little ducky, but I have no idea where it's supposed to go. Oh, that's adorable. But as far as barrettes, she's got this half moon barrette. Whoop! She's got this little ducky. She's got another half moon. Whoops, turn it around the right way, Leslie. Another half moon barrette. Another half moon barrette. Another ducky. Ducky. And another ducky. Oh man. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 barrettes and one little charmy thing. I have no idea where it goes, but whatever. And she didn't even notice her popcorn. And in addition to the popcorn that she has, which maybe these labels come off? I don't know. I'm so confused. In addition to the popcorn, she has a phone, which I have no idea how that's supposed to fit in her hand. I don't think. No, only one hand has the little sensor in it. And she even has a radio. Oh man. So there's the little clicky, the handle for the radio. Oh, that's hilarious. And this, whatever this is, I'm assuming it's a, like a float or something. And again, I just don't see how on earth.
See you later.
Sorry, Ellie.
later.
Sorry, Ellie. Never mind, Ellie. Anyway, whatever. I'm tired. But, yeah. She will lie there. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As usual, like, subscribe, comment, click the notification bell so you will know whenever I upload new content. God bless, and I will see you in the next video.